Hi there, welcome to Nick's Hobby Bench. I'm Nick, and for this video we're going to be painting Knight-Incantor. Let's get into it. First color we're going to be putting on is the Sigmar pink, and that will be going on these parts here. Next one to go on is the Bugman's Glow. This one's going to go on the face. Looks freaking weird. Right. The next one to go on is the Rakarth Flesh. And that one's going to go on the parchment areas. The next one to go on is the Kanto Blue. This goes on all the blue areas. The next paint we're going to be putting on is the lead Belcher. This is going to go on all the gunmetal areas.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to paint is these little dublacky crystal looking thingies. These things here. I don't have the right paint, so I've just mixed some white scar with some Kanto Blue. Didn't even make the right shade, but that's what I get for mixing a layer of base paint. Doesn't look half bad. Cool. So the next one we're going to be putting on is the Mephiston Red. This is going to go on a couple of areas like the top head part here, and they have a line and stuff down in here, but I don't know how good I'm going to be at doing lines. Only one way to find out. Guess we'll go with the line first. Oh boy. Next part is Abandoned Black. My bad. Yeah. Abandoned Black. All the leather parts, I think. I believe it's leather. The next one is this Karabakh Crimson, and it's going on all the pink areas. Next is a Grey Clan Flesh. That's going on medium flesh areas, and the hammers are Sigmar and armor areas. next one to go on is the Drakenhof Nightshade. Drakenhof? This is going to go on all the blue areas, all the dark blue areas. Gunmetal areas. Let it dry and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm very proud of this piece. Yes, there's a lot of stuff ups, but I'm still new to painting, so I will get better. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!